welcome back to Made by Nale. Welcome back to Made by Nale. Thank you so much to everyone that's subscribing, following, and doing all that jazz. Like, I greatly appreciate. Make sure to support us over on Instagram. I've also got my links to my Depop if you guys really like some of these things. I can't keep all of them, let's be real. If we're trying to be sustainable, I can't keep every single garment that I have. So if you're interested in anything that I make sure to check out the Depop and you can pick one up, purchase. I don't really sell to make money. I'm just selling just to, you know, just so that I don't have all this DIY stuff in the house. I only sell like things that I truly think are wearable and things that I think you guys would really like. So make sure to check that out. I also do lots of charity donations. So if you own a charity shop or a thrift shop and you're interested in some of my upcycles, do drop me a message over on Instagram, or you can drop my agency a email and they will be sure to get to you. So today I have a very crazy DIY, guys, and I'm so sorry that this is dropping on a Wednesday. I just want to tell you guys that we are in the process of changing how we do our videos because I want structure, guys. I'm taking this seriously. Like, we're almost at 1,000, so I want us to have a routine. Let me know down in the comments if Sundays work best for you or if Wednesdays work best for you. I'm kind of trial and testing days. Okay, I'm just trying to see which days work for me and also work for you guys so that we can all benefit from this channel. So do let me know. So today we're going to be attempting to make this. So I saw this on Pinterest from another creator. I'll try and find their Instagram, and I just thought to myself, this is beautiful, this is amazing, and I'm gonna try and do it myself. And this is something that I will be listing, but I will let you know why I'm thinking I might not list it a little bit later. So I went to the charity shop. Here's the video over on TikTok. Make sure to check that out too. Here's a video of me thrifting this jumper that I had. So the jumper looked like this. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, this jumper takes ages to make. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not a quick, fun, well, it is a fun DIY, but it's not a quick, easy DIY. So I've already started it, and I just didn't want to show you guys right now because right now it's already halfway there. But basically what we're gonna need is we're gonna need some wool. You're gonna need some wool. I literally bought 2 bundles of wool, but I'm just working with this now because this is the remainder. And you're gonna need your scissors. If this is a no-sew DIY, this is a no-sew DIY, so you don't have to worry about that. Just a pair of scissors and wool and your old cardigan and you're good to go. So let's get straight to this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you lots. Mwah! So you want to grab your wool, guys, and you're going to cut some strips. It doesn't really matter the size. I wanted mine a little bit longer, so if you want yours longer, make longer strips. And enjoy the time lapse because this takes ages. So once that's done, you should have some wool looking like this, and you're now gonna carefully feed the wool into the little dots that already come with the cardigan. So you can see me doing that now, and then I'm gonna tie it. And just in case you missed it, I'm gonna show you again. You wanna put the wool into one of the little dots or holes. You're gonna pull out the wool on the other side like this. Then you're gonna make a knot, and you're gonna do that multiple times. So do you enjoy this time lapse once again? It should all then look like this, and this is how I looked in it.